Hello, and welcome to a FortiWeb video on mobile API protection. In this video, we'll focus on FortiWeb's mobile API protection feature, which validates JSON Web Tokens presented by mobile applications. It goes beyond validating the user. It verifies the integrity and legitimacy of the mobile app itself. It checks if a request contains a JSON Web Token, whether the token is valid, and flags the request accordingly, whether there be no token, valid token, or invalid token. Based on these flags, actions are enforced, ensuring only authorized mobile traffic is allowed and enhancing security for mobile API interactions. Let's take a look at some examples of the mobile API protection feature in action. Your mobile application communicates with the backend API using JSON Web Tokens for authentication. A typical request might look like the figure on the left. In this case, an attacker or a misconfigured client sends a request without a JSON Web Token, or a request with an expired JWT. FortiWeb checks flags the request as no token or invalid token, then blocks it, ensuring that only authenticated requests are processed. If the JWT token is tampered with and results in an invalid signature, or the JWT token is with invalid claims, or other situations where the JWT token is invalid, FortiWeb can detect it, flag the request as invalid token, and block it. In short, mobile API protection ensures that only users from authorized mobile apps can access your APIs. By validating JWTs and enforcing actions based on token status, FortiWeb adds an extra layer of security, protecting your APIs from unauthorized access and potential abuse through mobile apps. Thank you for watching.